Cardo stuff segments into two groups. We've got the Bluetooth headsets in the FreeComm series, and we've got the Pack series, which is mesh, it is the future of comm systems. Within the FreeComms, FreeComm 1 Plus, 2 Plus, 4 Plus, they're designed for how you're going to use it. 1 Plus is going to be for if you're just rider by yourself or rider to passenger and you don't give any concern about talking bike to bike, the 1 Plus is all you need. Entry level price point, the Duo comes with both. If you want short range bike to bike but don't want to spend a lot of money, FreeComm 2 Plus, right, would you say? That's going to give you 1,500 feet bike to bike, two heads max. The 4 Plus is going to offer you four-person connectivity, about 3/4 of a mile bike to bike, and with the 4 Plus, you start getting a lot of the stuff from the premium level. JBL sound experience, which is the first in the industry, and natural voice commands, where literally you just tell it what you want to do.
Right.
Hey Cardo, battery status. Hey Cardo, volume up. That kind of stuff doesn't exist prior to these units. So the golden question for you is, how am I going to use it, right? All of these will pair to a phone, all of these pair to GPS, all of them stream music, that's a given. It really comes down to how am I going to use it? This is the Cardo I should get. So we did talk about the new JBL accessory, and how it's an update for any of the Cardo products, going back 3 years, any of the FreeComms, Pack Talk, Smart Packs. But the QR code that you scan in the box through the app is the most important part about it, right? It unlocks the firmware for it.
Yep.
So
it's the firmware, yep.
Covered that. I think the big thing is also natural voice, versus traditional voice commands. What do you think about that?
Yeah, being able to talk into the mic and control your device without ever having to lift a finger or operate it with your app. Yeah, being able to use your voice is, obviously the pretty cool thing with the Bold. Yeah.
And the fact that it's so, I think a lot of people look at natural voice and they go, oh, my 2009 Cardo has voice commands also, big deal. But it's like, they don't realize that traditional voice commands are back and forth, right? You activate it, you say, hey, or hello this, and then it responds, and then you feed it back, it's a train wreck.
Yeah.
With natural voice, it's one-step operation. You just say, hey Cardo, volume up, boom.
Exactly.
Hey Siri. Okay, Google. So that's
it's a big misconception, right? So voice commands just piggybacks your phone. Natural voice, standalone. You just talk into the mic, tell it what to do. Boom, it does it.
So the Arai cheek pad, you can peel back this skirt. They've got this little piece you can remove right here, and that's where we will put our speaker.
Any questions?
We'll do that on both sides. That gives you a spot to put the speakers. We are using the JBL accessory. So this will be the 45 millimeter, it's 42 millimeters on the back so that it fits in most sides, most helmet cavities, perfectly round. 45 on the face of it. This will be sitting, when this is all said and done, will be sitting right over the ear pocket. So we'll put the skirt back over top of it. When he puts the helmet on, it'll be sitting right over his ears. Start with where the manufacturer recommends you to put the speaker, but don't be married to that spot. The right spot is the right spot for where your ear is. That is so critical. Because if it's not right over your ear, I don't care who's making the speakers. JBL, doesn't matter. It's not going to sound good. Now in the Cardo world, this is nice, kind of a nice tip. The speaker that's on the right side of you, that wire also acts as the FM antenna for the receiver. So the more you can route that in thinking it's an antenna, the better your FM reception will be. So going up and over top, thinking antenna is going to give you better reception than maybe cramming it all in one corner and feeding it around the back. Inside the box is also this little pamphlet. On the back side is a QR code. You use the Cardo Connect app, you scan that QR code, and it unlocks the JBL software that matches these speakers. Exclusive to Cardo, works with the FreeComm 4 Plus, Pack Talk Bold, actually the entire Cardo product line. Pretty cool. Going to use the wired mic on this helmet. Make sure that little button mic is sitting right over his mouth. It's a 3.5 jack in case you want to use your own headphones or earbuds. We're going to place that right nice and deep.
It's not that hard to do though.
Put the bed skirt back over.
Thanks guys. Appreciate it.
This combination, this helmet with a Pack Talk Bold with the JBL accessory, that's pretty much going to the top of the world. There's nothing better than that.